Hey guys, me, Shane McAlary from Street Outlaws. This video is brought to you by none other than Keystone Light. America, bitches. Anyway guys, hey, I'm sure everybody knows I wrecked my car last weekend. Rolled that bitch 42 times. Ended up all I had was a shiner. I did chip a damn tooth though. Son of a bitch. Now I don't even know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I chipped that bastard just right there. Chipped it. Weird. Eating corn on the cob and shit now, but anyway. Well, serious note here. Bob, I got a shiner on that whole wreck. Flipped it 48 times. Bob didn't fare so well. Did you, Bob? Before the wreck, Bob had never drank a beer. Now all of a sudden, Bob's drinking beer and he's vaping. I don't get it, man. It's like you get in a wreck and you turn gay. Anyway, guys, just want to address some things. Safety is serious when you're racing. It really is. And, I screwed up bad. What happened was, pulled up to the light, staged, got the F3 freaking zinging. It's freaking ready to go. Bang the light, car throws me back. I'm freaking screaming bloody. I'm like, hell yeah, this is so badass. I'm on the sissy sticks. 600 feet wheelie. It's insane. I'm beating this guy. He's like 6 or 8 cars behind me. Maybe even buses. Kicking his ass. Anyway, next thing I know, hit 13th gear and the transmission locks up. Throws Bob completely forward. Bob's face hits the dash of the car. That's why Bob's face looks exactly like it does. That's what happened. Anyway, I was strapped in. Bob was not. Well, Bob's face hits the dash. Next thing you know, we start barrel rolling. And I'm going, oh shit! Freaking shit's flying, oil's flying everywhere. Next thing you know, poor Bob, we get to a total dead stop, and I'm screaming, Bob! Bob! And he ain't saying nothing. And I'm like, I'm tearing up. I don't even know where Bob's at. Next thing you know, that's how I found Bob, laying in a field.
I fucking looked at it.
Anyway,
And I couldn't tell what you
so Bob was almost dead. I was scared to death. I was screaming Bob. I didn't care if I won that race or not. I was worried about Bob. Anyway, so that's what happened. Bob's still alive, barely. We made it through the crash. We're going to rebuild. We're going to come back bigger and better than we ever were. We're going to kick everybody's ass. Chief, Murder Nova, Farm Truck, bitch-ass Doc. Yeah, all them guys are going down. Daddy Dave, you ain't got shit from me, Daddy Dave. Freaking Carl Scott from Woodward talking shit with his orange pile of shit. Shit, Tony Folks and his piece of shit Blue Dragon. You guys bring that shit. The 55 and both your slow-ass bitches, those twins that are bitches. Eleanor, slow-ass piece of shit too. We're gonna wax everybody's ass. Yeah, like Bird Vega coming back as a freaking pro mod. Bigger and better. Watch out, bitches. Kai Kelly, you're going down too. We're gonna be traveling to New Orleans kicking that ass too, bitch. Anyway, happy birthday, America. Keystone Light.